How to use Pipedrive CRM. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Pipedrive CRM to close deals, improve customer relation, set goals, and more. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to pipedrive.com and you will land right here on this platform. Pipedrive is world's leading CRM platform that allows you to track progress towards your goal, optimize, and grow. You can manage your leads, create deals, get reports and insights, track calls, emails, and contacts. Also, automate your work using Pipedrive. So it's an all-in-one platform, very easy to use, and signing up process is also really easy. Let's start with the signing up. If you have not signed up, you will click on try it out for free, and you can go ahead and enter your email address to sign up. There is no credit card required. Once you sign up, this is where you will get. This is our main dashboard, and I will show you each and everything how to use all of these different options and tools that we get on Pipedrive. So this is our main menu right here. We have leads, deals, campaigns, mail, activities, contact, insights, products, marketplace, and more. In more, we have our smart documents, merge duplicates, marketplace, knowledge base, and more. I have selected the basic plan and I'm getting all of these features. Before we get into the tools, let's go to the pricing plan really quickly so you will have an idea about the affordability of the platform. This is the pricing plan for Pipedrive. We get 4 plans. We have an essential plan right here, which is going to be $9.90 per user per month if billed annually, and we can get a free trial for any of these plans right here. The second plan is an advanced plan, which is going to be $19.90 per user per month if billed annually. And then there is a professional plan, which is going to be $39.90 per user per month if billed annually. And then there is an enterprise, which starts from $59.90 per user per month if billed annually. You can try it out any of these for free. I have selected this plan right here, which is the most recommended one, and I am getting this dashboard right here. So once you have chosen the plan, you have signed up. Let's get started with the platform. Let me show you how you can create a deal or a lead right here on Pipedrive. Let's go to the lead option right here, the first one. And in leads, we are getting our leads inbox, live chat, chatbot, web forms, prospector, web visitor, and messaging. So this is where I will be able to send my messages and add all of the information about my leads. And to create a brand new lead, I will click on this option right here which says new lead. To create a new lead, all you have to do is just enter a contact person. So let's go ahead and add Alex right here. Then we have to select an organization. Type in the organization name where your client, your contact works. So he's from the organization tech. Then what I need to do is enter the value for this lead, and I'm gonna enter 5,000, and we can select the, of course, currency from here. I will select USD. There you go. We can also enter different labels according to different leads, if it's a hot deal, warm, or cold. So if it's pretty hot right now, I'm going to click on hot, and then we have visibility. So I'm going to keep it to group owner, or we can keep it to owner and follower or entire company. So I'm just going to keep it to owner's visibility group. Then we have the person information. If you want to add it, you can enter the phone number for them, and I'm going to enter the lead phone number, of course, and then we can also enter their email address. All right, next thing is click on save. Your new lead will be created. You can see right here we have the title, we have label, source, lead, creator, honor, and more. So you can just scroll down. We can get these 3 dots and archive it or delete it. Now we will be getting the live inbox, live chat for this lead that I have created right here. So Pipedrive actually gives us a lot of different tools and options to play around with, and we can actually do a lot with Pipedrive. Let's create a new deal. Go to deals right here, click on deal. You will be able to create a brand new deal. Again, enter the contact information. For now, I'm gonna enter my client known as Ben. Click on enter and a new client will be created. Organization. So he belongs to the organization down, and then we have the value. So value for this deal is actually $7,000. And I'm going to click on, again, I'm going to change the currency, which is going to be USD. Pipeline. So we have to select the pipeline stage. If it's a contact mode, demo scheduled, proposal made, or negotiation. So we have actually made the proposal for this deal right here. So I'm going to select the stage, which is the fourth stage right now, which is proposal made. Expected close date. So it will be closed in a week. So I'm going to again select Wednesday because that's what they say. And again, I can enter the phone number for my contact, of course, and then we can enter their email address right here. Click on save. A new deal will be saved here. Now, if you're wondering that you are actually dealing with a lot of different clients at one time, you're getting hundreds of deals a day, 50 deals a day, how you can enter each of these one by one? Well, you don't need to. What you can do is we can export and import data very easily on Pipedrive. So if you have a spreadsheet of your clients, of your deals that you made, you can just import that right here to your Pipedrive. So it's really easy, and you can add a brand new as well. So if you have a contact mode, click right here and you will be able to create a new deal in each of these different stages. You can also move a deal according to different, for example, if the proposal was made and now the negotiation has started, so I can move it to this stage right here. Moving on, we have campaigns. So campaign allows us to, because it's a CRM platform and we will be sending out emails, and when it comes to sending emails, we need to send email for confirmation, we need to send emails for new information, welcome email, any problem email. So we need to craft emails. To create email marketing campaigns, we will be getting a basic editor, drag and drop, and you will be able to choose from a lot of different templates too. Then we also have a simple mail option. You don't need to go to your business email. You don't need to go to your Gmail every time to create an email. You can create email from here. Click on this icon right here, compose, and it will allow you to compose your email. We get Pipedrive mail. You can add Pipedrive mail right here to your Pipedrive. Connect your email as well if you want to, your previous email, and then you will be able to send email out right here from Pipedrive. Of course, when we will be working on Pipedrive, we will have our activity. So you can enter activity, you can add task, deadline, meeting, and schedule calls and emails right here within your Pipedrive. Enter on plus this icon right here which says activity. Let's go ahead and schedule a call for my client. So I'm gonna go ahead and call it call. Of course, this is a call that I need to schedule. So this is the date right here, and I need to enter a time. So I need to call them at 4:30 p.m. and the ending time should be 5:30, and this is the date. Then we can add free right here, that I will be free. We can also enter notes here. So I'm just gonna add important notes. There you go. The owner is this. We can also enter a lead or a deal that we have created, right? And we can enter the different people as well. So I'm going to select right here. I've selected one of the clients, and we can also select the organization. Click on save, and your new call, your new activity will be logged here. And now I know to call this person, and I will get a reminder. This is where we work on our CRM. We improve our customer relationship, and we make our clients more comfortable. We make more deals, and we close more deals using Pipedrive. I can again add a task as well. Click on activity, and this time let's go with a task. Let's call it task 1, and I can add any task I want to, for example, to send out the new leads. There you go. So you will just click right here, enter the details, and you're good to go. Click on save. You can see a new task is created. Similarly, I can add deadlines, email, and more. If we go to contacts, so I actually showed you how to create different contacts and organizations. Click on add person, and you can add all of your contacts right here. You can enter their name, organization, phone number, email, and other details. We can also import a list of course, all of our clients, and we can all of our contacts, and we can add them here. Then we have organization, which also means company. So we can add more than one company here. You can also import a company list. Insight will actually give us insights to all of our pipe drive, what's happening, and how we can go ahead and customize our report. So we have our leads created, leads conversation, deal conversation right here. If I scroll down, we have deal won over time. This will give us bar graphs, and then we have pie charts, all of these different views that will actually help me with my managing and customizing my pipe drive. So this is our main dashboard. We also get separate insights to all of these different options. We have goals, we have reports, deal conversation, deal duration, deal progress, product sold, activity completed, revenue forecast, and more. So that is how we can simply go ahead and get our insights to all of our information right here on Pipedrive. And then of course we have a marketplace too. If you want to create a store on Pipedrive, you can create a store as well, and then we can add different products to our Pipedrive. If we go to the marketplace right here, so in marketplace we have integrations that we can add to our Pipedrive that will help us customize our Pipedrive experience. We can add Google Meet, Slack, HubSpot, Trello, Just Call, Funnels, Lead, Footer, Monday, and more. So this is how you use Pipedrive as your CRM. It has all the right features and tools to help your team grow and close more deals. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to use Pipedrive. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.